I think it's very important for NGOs to take up not only the responsibility that we're here to do, but also think a bit bigger and think about our impact and our environmental impact. And I think it's really important for NGOs to really take that serious. And I think switching to a more natural source of power is actually very important. And so solar power is, of course, the first that comes to mind, especially living in Africa. So I think there's a few challenges. The first one is that NGOs don't necessarily have the initial capital to actually invest in solar panels. The second one is that we don't necessarily have the expertise to know how we go about solar energy. And the third one is that we don't necessarily know how to analyze the quality of the panels available in country. So all of these were covered by ecoligo. They actually were able to help us with the investment, to support us with the quality of the solar panels, and also giving us the expertise needed.
Selecting ecoligo was one of the interesting things that we've done for Marie Stopes Ghana. The whole project went very well. The whole team enjoyed working with ecoligo simply because of the way they would help you from the time the contract is signed through implementation. Fixing the solar panels, for instance, we got to understand how they're supposed to be fixed. It was a learning process for me as well and the team. I recommend ecoligo to organizations working in the NGO space.